Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can fix if your Bluetooth driver not showing in your window device manager. So I will show you the perfect method. Okay, so there is a server solutions I will show you. First we need to go in window update. So go to the settings. Okay, and here go to the window updates and just check for your updates or enable your window updates. After it's complete, you need to go in advanced options, and here we have some optional updates. Okay, window, once your window update, it will be give you the some optional updates. So it's upon you, you can update it or not. So maybe you will have here some drivers like Bluetooth driver something, so you need to select that and just install it. Okay, after you install, you can restart your PC, then you can check on the your device manager. So now let me go to the device manager. This is the second method. Okay, if your Bluetooth driver not showing on your device manager, maybe it is hidden, so go to the view and go to select show hidden device, so it will be show you maybe. Or you can go to the action. If you newly added your Bluetooth device in your PC, then you can go to the actions and go to the scan for hardware change. So you can see, once you scan for hardware change, then your system will scan your PC or your hardwares, and there is any newly added device like Bluetooth drivers, and it will be show here. Okay, in my case it is not showing because I don't have Bluetooth in my PC. Okay, so here you can see your Bluetooth driver, you can see the Bluetooth icon here. Okay, so this is the method. And if still it's not working for you, then there is another method. Go to the browser. Okay, come to the any browser and search for Intel Bluetooth drivers. Search for Intel Bluetooth drivers. So here you can see the first link, Intel officially site. Just open it. Here, from here you can choose your version. So I just select latest version. Here the download. Here the for window 11, 10, 64 bytes. Okay, and you can download, simple download from here. I accept this term agreement, and it will be download here. Once you download, you can install on your PC. Once you install, you need to restart your PC. Okay, so that is how you can fix your Bluetooth driver not showing in your device your device manager. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.